In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open recent files in Excel. By the end, you'll know the quickest way to jump right back into your work without digging through folders or searching your computer. Start by opening Excel. You can be on a blank workbook or the Excel home screen. Either is fine. Look to the top left corner and click File. This takes you into Excel's Backstage View, which is where you manage things like opening, saving, sharing, and printing. Think of it as the command center for anything that isn't direct editing in the grid. Once you're in the File view, go to Recent on the left side. The Recent section is a curated list of files you've opened recently, sorted by date so the most relevant items float to the top. It usually shows the file name, the location, and, when applicable, whether the file is stored on your computer, a network drive, or a cloud location like your organization's storage. This list is especially handy if you bounce between the same few workbooks each day because it helps you avoid repetitive browsing. You might notice that the recent list is grouped by timeframes such as today, yesterday, or last week, which makes scanning even faster. If you hover over an item, Excel often displays the full path, which helps you confirm you're about to open the right file, especially if you have similar names. Keep in mind that if you don't see something you expect to find, it may not have been opened recently, the list may have been cleared, or you might be signed into a different account than when you last opened the file. Now, simply click the file you want to open. Excel will launch it right away. If it's stored in the cloud, Excel will connect and open the latest version so you're not working with an outdated copy. In some environments, you could see a brief prompt if the file is protected or requires permission. Just proceed as you normally would in your organization. Once the workbook is open, you're ready to pick up exactly where you left off. Formulas, charts, filters, and all. That's really all there is to it. File, Recent, then click the file. It's a tiny routine that saves a surprising amount of time, especially if you return to the same spreadsheets regularly. Thanks for watching, and now that you know how to open recent files in Excel, you can get back to your work faster and with fewer clicks.